Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and big news coming up. It would seem that the biggest company and market capitalization in the world, Nvidia, is to purchase a big PC manufacturer. So it seems that they are in negotiation. Nvidia said that this would reshape the PC market as we know it. And of course, in all the documentations, there is no name of what manufacturer it is. So some speculate it could be HP, it could be Dell. I doubt that they would go after Lenovo, which is the biggest PC maker in the world. So kind of interesting, and this would shape the PC market in an interesting way since Nvidia does a lot of chips. They could position all of their chips in their PCs from that company that they would purchase. That could really change the market. So this is going to be interesting to watch. Will it go through? That's the other problem because they had tried to do some purchases before, but the there was a lot of problem with how should it happen or not. The different watchdogs are like, let's see if that is good or not because we want to examine that possibility. So could that also be scrutinized and looked at before it actually goes through? It's possible, but it is definitely very interesting to note that Nvidia is after a PC maker. They say the deal is close. If it doesn't happen in a very near future, it will not happen, and that they are in intense negotiations right now. So with their money, I guess they could purchase pretty much anything in the world right now. What are your thoughts? Do you think Nvidia buying a big PC maker is a good idea? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.